My today's topic PMI, Principle of Mathematical Induction. This is the lesson number 4 of 10 plus 1 classes, mathematics. Let us start PMI. First we tells about PMI. In abbreviation of PMI, so P be the principle, M for math, principle of mathematical, or I for induction. You also know about induction. Induction means the checking. So this is the checking of the any formula or statement in given physics or mathematics. So using the PMI methods. In this method we check out three steps. Step first, we are checking P1 is true. If we P1 is true, then proceed these questions. If P1 is not true, then stop the questions here. And step second, let Pk is true. And step third, prove Pk plus 1 is true for Pk is true. So students, these chapters be solved carefully. We are taking a statement 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equal to n plus. And we are taking 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n equal to n plus 1 upon 2. We are taking left hand side. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. And put n equal to 1, we are taking left hand side equal to 1 and right hand side n plus 1 upon 2. So put n equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2, that is 1 into 2 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Left hand side equal to 1 and right hand side equal to 1 also. So LHS equal to RHS, or also we can say P1 is true. So this question proceed out. This is the step first, and step second, let Pk is true. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k and k plus 1 upon 2 is true. Step third, put n equal to k plus 1. We get pk plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k equal to k plus 1 and equal to k plus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So we are taken in brackets and put the value of here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k equal to k plus 1 upon 2 plus k plus 1 upon 1. Also write down k plus 1 or k plus 1 and plus 1, k plus 2 upon 2. K plus 1 taking common. So k upon 2 plus 1 upon 1. K plus 1 we are taken in LCM. So k plus 2 also equal to right hand side. K plus 1, k plus 2 upon 2 equal to right hand side. So this statement Px is true for all real value of n by PMI. So student, all questions you can done by taking these three steps. So I given homework, so try these questions. If any problem, they contact me. So your homework becomes
Start.
1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to 1 upon 6 n plus 1 and 2n plus 1. Question number 2. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube equal to n square n plus 1 square upon 4. Question number 3. 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 up to plus 1 upon n plus 1 equal to n upon n plus 1. Question number 4. 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, n plus 1, n plus 2 equal to n plus 3 upon 4, n plus 1, n plus 2. So solve these questions by PMI. If any problem, they contact me. Thanks a lot.